Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Unreal. Let me show you how to create a displacement map in Unreal Engine 5.4 with Megascans assets. First step is to enable Nanite Displaced Mesh. To do that, go Edit, Plugins, type in Nanite and enable it. It will ask you to restart your engine, so just click Restart Now. After you restart your engine, go over here, Add, and we'll go to Pixel Bridge. We will download some materials to see the effect. You can go over here under surfaces. I already have in my local library, and I will choose this old fourth wall. Just hit it, hit download and click add over here to project, and you will have materials in your Megascans folder. Now let's add two spheres. Go to shapes, sphere, and hold Alt to duplicate, F to focus it. These two spheres will show the difference. We can delete the floor so we can see this better. And you can press G to remove everything. And now we'll just drag and drop the material to our left sphere. And if you go closer, you can see it looks good, but it's not Nanite. It's not Nanite yet. We need to enable the Nanite displacement. To do that, we will go right click over here and go new material, hit enter. We will open the new material, go to Megascans, to your surfaces, and just drag your textures. Now just connect this albedo over here, normal to normal. Over here, this red will be ambient occlusion, green will be roughness, and the blue will be our displacement. We don't have the displacement over here, so just click your new material, go over here on the left side, type in Tessellation, and click Enable Tessellation. As you can see, we don't have this node either, so we need to make some adjustments in our project files. So go back to your project, go to Content, click Content, right click on it and hit Show in Explorer. And this will be our project. Just go one level up, go to the config folder and open this default engine and go over here that says Render Settings, and under here just paste these values. I will have this in the description below, so you can just copy paste from there and make sure to save it. You can close it and save your project and restart the Unreal Engine. After you restart your engine, just drag this new material to the second sphere. And you can see still nothing happens. We need to tweak some parameters. To do that, we will open our material, double click to open it, and you can see that now we have this displacement node. So just drag and drop it to the displacement, type in over here displacement and change the magnitude, for example, to be 10. Hit apply and save. And you may notice again nothing happens. We need to fix that. So select your sphere, right click on it, browse to asset, double click on your sphere, and over here click Enable Nanite Support. Save and close. And you can see that now we have our displacement. Let's open up our new material. I will just move it here and we can play with the displacement over here. For example, let's go with the 20 and press this to be 1 and hit save, and you can immediately see the difference. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. You can check out 75 tips and tricks for Unreal Engine if you want to make yourself better and faster in Unreal. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.